How to find CVV on the Wells Fargo app. Go to your browser and search for https://www.wellsfargo.com. Click on Sign On and enter your login details correctly. Then, click on the Help button next to the About Us button. When you click Help, a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, click on Quick Help. Next, select Customer Service and FAQs. You'll find support topics like checking and savings, online banking, and more. If you can't find what you're looking for, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Make an Appointment to connect with a Wells Fargo banker for personalized help. This will take you directly to the appointment page, where you can contact customer support directly and discuss your request on how to find the CVV on their app.